All right, so now let's take a look at the skills practice part of the resources. So go to your resource filters and click down the drop-down menu and pick skills practice teaching guide. Pick any lesson. I'm going to pick lesson 9. So why don't you go ahead and pick lesson 9 for yours too. And then I'm going to hit search. And when I hit search, lesson 9 comes up. We see it down here. I'm going to look at show by sequence. And in every lesson, there is this first chunk of diagnostic skills. And so that's great because that's something we can give at the beginning of the year and at the middle of the year. In fact, it's important to remember that Collaborative Classroom recommends waiting to give the diagnostic for grammar until at least after students finish the first unit around building a writing community. You might even wait until after the second unit, until kids are feeling confident and able to take risks. Then we might introduce this grammar instruction. So what you'll notice is that the grammar piece that's on the Learning Hub are the worksheets or the writing activities. The actual teaching around the grammar is in that Spiral Skills Practice Teacher's Manual. It's not enough, as we know, just to give kids worksheets. We have to teach them around the grammar. And a lot of times that teaching needs to be looking at correct examples first and making rules together as a class, and then moving into correcting mistakes, and then looking at our own writing. In fact, research shows us that when we start with the correcting mistakes, that's what gets imprinted on their brains. So it's really important to think about the teaching that goes around these grammar skills. So take a minute and explore this work and see what you think, see what you notice.